The world is full of surprising, bizarre, and utterly fascinating facts that seem too outrageous to be real. Sometimes, truth is stranger than fiction, and these unusual facts will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Here are the top 10 random facts that sound fake but are, in fact, totally true. 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. It might sound impossible, but botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. This is due to the way the plants develop. Bananas develop from a single flower with multiple ovaries, fitting the botanical definition of a berry. Strawberries, on the other hand, come from a flower with a single ovary, which disqualifies them from being considered berries. 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are truly remarkable creatures, and one of the most fascinating aspects of their biology is that they have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. The strange part, when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating, which is why octopuses prefer crawling over swimming. 3. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's long shelf life is thanks to its low moisture content and natural acidity, which create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms can't thrive. It's a naturally preserved food that never goes bad. 4. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Wombats, those adorable marsupials from Australia, produce cube-shaped poop. This unique shape helps keep the poop from rolling away, allowing wombats to mark their territory more effectively. The cube-shaped poop is a result of the wombat's extremely slow digestive process and the peculiar way their intestines work. 5. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. The Eiffel Tower, made of iron, actually expands during hot weather. When the temperature rises, the metal can expand by up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters. This means that the iconic tower can appear slightly taller in the summer than in the winter, a phenomenon caused by the thermal expansion of the iron. 6. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have been around for more than 400 million years, while trees, which first appeared around 350 million years ago, are younger than these ancient fish. Sharks have survived through mass extinctions and changing climates, making them one of the oldest surviving species on Earth. 7. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the Great Pyramid's construction. Cleopatra, the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, lived around 2,000 years ago. Surprisingly, this is closer to the 1969 moon landing than to the time the Great Pyramid of Giza was built, which was over 4,500 years ago. This fact really puts into perspective how ancient the pyramids are in comparison to other historical events. 8. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. It may seem outlandish, but it's true. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. While the genes we share with bananas aren't exactly the same in function, the basic building blocks of life are remarkably similar across all living organisms. This genetic overlap highlights the deep connection between all forms of life on Earth. 9. You can't hum while holding your nose. Try it. If you try to hum while pinching your nose closed, you won't be able to make any sound. Humming requires air to flow through your nose, and when you block it off, there's no way for the sound to travel. It's a simple yet fascinating quirk of how our bodies work. 10. Venus Day is longer than its year. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has an incredibly slow rotation. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one full rotation on its axis, while it only takes about 225 Earth days for the planet to orbit the Sun. This means that a day on Venus is longer than its year, making it one of the most perplexing planets in our solar system. These strange facts are proof that reality can often be far more bizarre than anything you'd expect. Whether it's the curious biology of animals or the surprising history of our planet, there's always something new and unbelievable to learn. These random facts may sound too weird to be true, but they're backed by science and history, making them undeniably fascinating.